I've been seeing a lot of projects about knockout text, and I'm going to do it today and hopefully share it with you. We want to, first of all, go into all caps. We're going to write some text. We're going to go into impact because it's a nice, thick font, bold font, and that's the type of font we want to use. So let's get it bigger up here. Camino means path, and the Camino de Santiago is a pathway goes through France and Portugal and Spain. My daughter and I hiked it last year. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do a t-shirt for her on. So we're going to reduce our letter spacing. We want to get the letters as close as possible, so it creates a denser field for our knockout images. So we reduced it through letter spacing here. And while I've got this grouped, I'm going to ungroup this just a minute. So all of my letters are individual. I'm going to physically move that one a little bit closer. Okay, and then I'm going to go back and group them all back together. And the size I want to make, I'm going to unlock this so I can play around with my size a little bit. I want to make it 8 inches long, and then probably at least 3 inches high. Okay, you can see we've got good spacing, very little spacing between our letters, which is good. Okay, I'm going to lock that and weld it. All right, that's our background. Now we need to have our image. So let's go into images, and we found some boots that we like because it shows walking. So there are these boots. We want to get rid of the shading, the shadowing, and just make it a simple image like that. So now we can see, I'm going to change the color so we can see it a little bit better. Okay, there's our boots, and that's what's going to be knocked out. And let's duplicate that, bring it up here. I'm going to also change the Camino color just because it's easier for me to see. Okay, now once we have that, and make sure those are attached and welded. All right, now you want them on top of your image. Once you get them exactly where you want them, you don't want to move them. So now what we're going to do is we're going to select the top image, the boots, press Shift, and select the font. Then we're going to go down here to Slice. And you can see that some of these still need to come out. We've still got some areas that need to be sliced out, and you can see them up here. So we're going to get rid of those areas. We're going to put a box around everything, and then group it right up there. So there are our boots, and there is our knockout. And that's how we're going to make it. Thanks, guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the little bell button so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks, everyone.